Welcome to the Mastery Method English channel for learning English. Let's begin.
One day, a 7-year-old boy entered a large pharmacy, holding a handful of coins in his small hands. He stood in front of the pharmacist and asked seriously, "Please, do you sell happiness?" The pharmacist was surprised by the boy's question and smiled, thinking he was joking. He asked gently, "Why do you want to buy happiness?" The boy replied, his eyes shining with sadness, "My older sister used to smile all the time, but she stopped ever since my mother got sick. My father says happiness has disappeared from our home and I want to buy it back for them." The pharmacist felt the warmth of the words coming from the boy's heart. He leaned down kindly and said, "Well, happiness costs everything you have." The boy beamed with joy and eagerly handed over all the coins he had collected. The pharmacist took them, placed them in the cash register, and then handed the boy a small, neatly wrapped box, saying, "Take this happiness to your sister and family." The boy held the box tightly and ran home, shouting excitedly, "Sister, sister, I bought happiness." When his sister opened the box, she found colorful cards inside, each with heartfelt messages. A smile from you can change an entire day. Moments of love are more valuable than anything. And family is the greatest treasure. There was also an envelope containing a small sum of money, with a note that read, "A gift for those who spread happiness." The next day, a stranger knocked on their door, carrying a basket filled with food and medicine. He told them that a kind donor, touched by the boy's story, had decided to help them until their mother recovered and happiness returned to their home. From that day on, laughter and joy filled their house again. And the boy realized that happiness is not something that can be bought, it is something that is shared from heart to heart.
Great work today. Keep up the fantastic effort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Happy learning, and until next time, goodbye.